Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how I got this look. Just please keep watching. To apply the orange, I'll be using the Firm Blending Fluff brush. Using the pointed blender brush to apply the pink. Remember to blend as we don't want any harsh lines. Using a smudge brush, we'll be applying the yellow in our inner corner. Using the small tapered blending brush from the BH Cosmetics Rose Gold set, I will be applying the purple. Don't worry if it gets messy, that's why I went in with the M441 brush to blend the harsh lines. Using BH Cosmetics Angled Shadow Brush from the Rose Gold set, I will be applying aqua concealer in the shade Light Medium Neutral to create my cut crease. Since I will be using glitter, I would be setting my base with Sephora's Base Shadow Brush. I'll be using NYX Glitter Primer to apply NYX's Glitter Brilliant in the color Rose. Remember to remove the excess as you do not want any fallout. To create my wing, I'll be using NYC's liquid liner in black. Using a small tapered fluffy brush, I decided to use the same pink I used on my crease. I used NYX lip cream in the color Parrot. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.